Hello, in front of me I have LEMFO LEM5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. And here you can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the list, find the watch face you like to use, and tap on it to apply it. For example, this one, like this. You can also change the watch face via settings. So let's open the settings. To do it, swipe left on the screen until you see the settings icon, like this. Then tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, let's scroll down, find the option called display and select it. And here, scroll down, and right here we have an option called default clock. Tap on it, and you should see the watch face menu. And you can again scroll through it, find the watch face you like to use, and tap on it to apply it. And once you press the middle button to go back to watch face, you will see that the watch face changed. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.